After watching this video, you will have learned these 5 vowel combinations or diphthongs of the Korean alphabet, Hangul. Plus, we will also learn some more vocabulary words at the end.
안녕하세요 여러분, 루시예요. 저랑 같이 한국어 공부하실래요? 그럼 구독해주세요.
In today's lesson, we'll be talking about vowel combinations or diphthongs in Korean, and they are 11 in number. In most of those cases, we just have to say the 2 vowels really fast, and that's what makes it really easy. But in this video, we're going to be learning the harder ones first because it will just make the ride easier for you. Now let's look at our first vowel. It is A. It has a sound of A as in the literal letter A or as in the word sleigh. Now do you remember what I told you about adding an E sound to the vowel in the second episode of the series? According to that, if we added an E sound just before the vowel, we get a Y sound at the start. The second one is ye. So according to that, ye is just E plus A. Now if we try to say it really fast, we get ye, right? Just a Y sound at the start of the A vowel. Now the third one is E. Now this is the sound of E as in pet, right? This is messed up with a lot, and sometimes it is even confused by native Korean speakers. So it isn't really a big deal if you mess it up, but if you really need to learn the difference, just try listening to native speakers a lot and practice by yourself, and someday you'll get it. So the fourth one, as you might have guessed already, is ye, which is E plus A. And when we say them really fast, we get ye. So the last 4 vowels or vowel combinations have very similar sounds, and since I told you that even native Korean speakers mess up with them, there must be a way to defer those letters without messing them up, right? Well, here it goes. A is referred to as I. E is referred to as Oi. Ye is referred to as Yai. Yo is referred to as Yoi. Now the next one is a bit weird. Now this is the combination of O and A. And if we say it really fast, we get wa, right? Wa 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 wa. Now, how do we write it? See carefully. Wa. Combining it with the placeholder consonant, we get wa. More examples? Gha, bha. And now you need to keep this in mind that the W sound in all the words of Korean is much more softer and less noticeable than in English words. So when pronouncing it, always try to say it a bit softer. Now this is not the end. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I give Korean vocabulary lists at the end of videos related to Korean. So here it is. 공부, studying. 밤, night. 마음, heart. 삶, life. 사람, person. 기분, feeling. 행복, happiness. Alright guys, that was basically it for the video. Stay around for the next one and I'll meet you there. Annyeong!